is the Xtend+Climb telescoping ladder. It is convenient to store and transport. It is also lightweight and easy to use. True telescoping technology is the patented technology behind Xtend+Climb's series of telescoping ladders. Ladders with true telescoping technology provide maximum versatility and have been tested and surpassed ANSI and OSHA standards. True telescoping technology is safe and easy to use with its patented lock and release system. The design of the ladder allows it to firmly stay in place on all 4 points of contact. The feet of the ladder feature a double over mold design that provides strength, durability, and secure traction. Storing ladders with true telescoping technology is easy. They collapse down to the size of a lawn chair.
First, hang your clothes on the adjustable hanger. For maximum wrinkle release, pull the fabric tight and attach the smoothing clips. Next, insert a SWASH Pods cup, close the door, and select a cycle. The illuminated timer counts down the cycle's completion. The SWASH Pods formula neutralizes odors and leaves clothes smelling clean. Then, heat is circulated to restore the fit of clothes that's lost after wear and aid the dewrinkling process. In just 10 minutes, your clothes are at their best, and you're ready to take on whatever your day or night has in store.
Cleaning that stubborn brake dust with sponges, chemicals, and brushes that simply just don't work? Introducing the Brush Hero. The Brush Hero easily cuts through dirt and brake dust, blasting through tight spaces around lug nuts, wheel spokes, and grills. Brush Hero's patented technology is created with high-quality injection-molded plastic that never corrodes, requires no batteries or electricity, and provides strong, water-powered cleaning and detailing for cars, motorcycles, bikes, furniture, barbecues, window screens, pets, and more. The Brush Hero has an amazing amount of torque and is powered only by your garden hose. It's strong enough to remove muck and grease, but soft enough to clean paint and car windows without scratching. Use the interchangeable soft brush for chrome and the harder brush to get stubborn grease off your grill or caked on muck off your mountain bike, boat, or garden tools. Simply push on a brush, flip the handy on-off switch, and start cleaning. Get your Brush Hero today and blast the grime away.